Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fly tying material is probably one of the most essential aspects of fly fishing, influencing everything from the fly's appearance and action to its durability and effectiveness in attracting fish. Choosing the right materials can be a game changer, allowing you to create flies that perfectly mimic natural insects and withstand the rigors of repeated casts and strikes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fly tying materials. Number 5. Premium Fly Tying Materials Kit. This kit is packed with premium quality feathers and synthetic materials. It's essential for creating beautiful and effective flies. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive variety of materials. It includes everything you need for fly fishing, from UV-dyed marabou to synthetic dubbing. The kit includes unique items like peacock blue plumage and golden rooster tippet feathers. These hard-to-find feathers will make your flies stand out. We've added bulk synthetic rabbit hair dubbing for more versatile and vibrant fly patterns. This new feature will help you create more effective flies. With over 100 feathers in a wide range of colors and types, it suits all your fly tying needs. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, it has something for everyone. It's the perfect stocking stuffer or gift for the fly tier in your life. Give the gift of creativity and quality this holiday season. What we like. This kit uses premium quality materials, ensuring your flies are both beautiful and effective. It offers a comprehensive variety pack with over 100 feathers in a wide range of colors and types. If you are looking for a versatile kit suitable for both beginners and experts, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The materials are of good quality. The kit has a great selection of materials. The kit is a great value for the price. Number 4. Phecda Sport 15 Cards Fly Fishing Tying Material. This is a set of fly fishing tying material from Phecda Sport. It includes 15 cards of tinsel chenille line. They are perfect for creating nymphal bugs and scud. The material comes in multiple colors, as shown in the pictures. The colors are randomly selected. It is ideal for DIY fly lure fishing. You'll receive 10 cards with a total of 50 meters or 15 cards with 75 meters. The width of the material is about 7 mm to 1 cm. Use it for tying baits, lures, and streamer. It is also great for decorating the body of flies. This material is a must-have for fly fishing enthusiasts. This material can be used to create various fishing insects. It is a versatile product for any fly fishing needs. It is a great addition to your fishing gear. What we like. This product features multicolor tinsel chenille, perfect for adding flash and attraction to your flies. It comes in a wide range of colors, allowing you to create diverse patterns. If you're looking to add vibrant, eye-catching elements to your nymphs and streamers, consider this. What people say. They have a good color selection for the price, but they are a bit thinner than I would like to see. Great for very small jigs. Great product, exactly what I ordered. Came on time and will for sure order more. Number 3. Whiting Farms Fly Tiers Variety Pack. This variety pack is excellent for those just starting out. It provides everything needed to create beautiful flies. The feathers are ideal for warm water and streamer patterns. It allows you to create a wide range of fly patterns. It comes with a wide variety of feather types. You'll have everything you need to create different fly styles. The pack includes a wide variety of colors. This allows you to match any fly pattern. Each pack contains grizzly, brown, dun, and black feathers. This ensures you have the essential colors for your fly tying needs. What we like. This variety pack is excellent for beginning tiers, providing a solid foundation for learning. It offers a wide variety of feather colors and types. If you're just starting out or want to create effective warm water and streamer patterns, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a good way to add to your feather collection without spending a ton of money. Perfect for experimenting, and it comes with tons of colors, sizes, and types. I got a good variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, but your mileage may vary. Number 2. Krystal Flash Ripple Flashabou Fly Tying Materials. This is the original Flashabou, available in a variety of holographic colors. It offers a stunning 3D effect with each strand, making it incredibly attractive to fish. The vibrant colors and the 3D effect of this material will make your flies and lures stand out. It's designed to catch the eye of any fish, enhancing your chances of a successful catch. This material is built to last. It won't rust in saltwater and maintains almost neutral buoyancy, ensuring it performs well in various fishing environments. With its marabou action, it moves and flows through the water, mimicking the natural movement of bait. The super strong fiber is designed to withstand the rigors of fishing. Each package comes with hundreds of strands, each 11 inches long. It provides ample material for creating numerous flies and lures, giving you plenty of options. What we like. This product features the original Flashabou in holographic colors, creating a stunning 3D effect. It's saltwater resistant and maintains neutral buoyancy. If you like to tie flies with a lot of flash and movement, especially for saltwater fishing, you should consider this. What people say. The materials are high quality and work great. The variety of colors and materials is excellent. This kit has everything you need to get started. Number 1. XFISHMAN Fly Tying Thread Kit 60 and 30. This kit is designed for both beginners and experienced fly tiers. It includes both 60 and 30 threads, making it suitable for a wide range of fly sizes, from delicate trout flies to larger base bugs. This versatile kit has everything you need. If you're tying trout flies in sizes 4 to 20, the 60 thread will work perfectly. For larger flies like base bugs, the 30 thread is ideal. This kit provides both options, ensuring you have the right thread for every project. Thread breaking during fly tying can be frustrating and time-consuming. This kit uses custom fiber threads with high strength to prevent breaks. This ensures you can complete your flies smoothly and efficiently. Different flies require different color combinations for the best results. This kit includes 6 of the most commonly used colors, which can satisfy 90% of your fly tying needs. It gives you a great starting point. The 60 thread in this kit has a breaking strength of 35 ounces, perfect for flies in sizes 4 to 20. It provides the durability and reliability you need for successful fly tying. You can count on it. What we like. This kit provides strong thread in multiple sizes, ensuring your flies are durable. It includes a variety of colors, allowing for diverse fly patterns. If you need a reliable thread that won't break during complicated tying, this is the one for you. What people say. The materials are of good quality. The assortment of materials is great for beginners. The kit includes a good variety of colors and types of materials. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.